Planning to buy a treadmill? Don't waste 20,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees before watching this video. Some treadmills have powerful motors but disappoint when it comes to service. Some have excellent customer ratings but average build quality. So today I'll compare the top 5 treadmill brands in India using real buying factors, not just specification. We will compare price, motor performance, running comfort, build quality, features, common problems, warranty, service, and value. And at the end, I'll tell you exactly which treadmill is best for beginners, walkers, runners, and overall value. Let's begin. Today's competitors are FlexNest, FitKit by Cult, PowerMax, Cocato, and SpareNot. These are among the most popular treadmill brands available in online. Important question is which treadmill gives me the best value for money? Price matters because even a small difference can make one treadmill a better deal. SpareNord is the cheapest offline at 16,499 rupees, followed by PowerMax at 17,600 rupees, FlexNest at 18,200 rupees, Cocato at 18,499 rupees, and FitKit by Cult at 19,000 rupees. For online, Cocato leads at 16,900 rupees, while FlexNest and PowerMax are 16,999 rupees. SpareNord is 16,999 rupees and FitKit by Cult is 17,999 rupees. Overall winner, Cocato for online value, while SpareNord wins for the lowest offline price. The first important question is, can this treadmill handle daily walking and running? Well, the answer depends on the motor performance because the motor decides the treadmill's power, smoothness, and long term durability. Flex Nest and FitKit by Cult use advanced BLDC motors with low noise, making them ideal for walking, jogging, and running. FitKit by Cult leads with a powerful 5 HP motor, followed by Flex Nest at 4.5 HP. Meanwhile, PowerMax, Cocato, and SpareNord use DC motors with 4 HP peak power and moderate noise, making them better suited for walking, light jogging, or light running. Overall winner, FitKit by Cult with Flex Nest as a close second, while PowerMax remains a solid choice for everyday home workouts. Another common question is this treadmill fast enough for my workout? Let's compare the running comfort because it determines whether the treadmill is suitable for walking, jogging, or running. FitKit by Cult stands out with a wide 122 by 42 centimeter running deck, excellent comfort for taller users, and support for users up to 120 kg, making it our top overall choice. Cocato delivers a very similar experience and comes in a close second. FlexNest also supports 120 kg and is recommended for runners up to 95 kg, though it's 122 by 40 centimeter. Deck is slightly narrower. PowerMax offers a wide deck and is suitable for users up to 110 kg and 95 kg for regular running, while SpareNord supports 110 kg and it's best for runners up to 85 kg and it's also comfortable for taller users. Overall winner, FitKit by Cult followed closely by Cocato, with Flex Nest remaining a great option for everyday home workout. A lot of people worry about this. Will it be comfortable on my knees? Well, good cushioning helps absorb impact and reduces pressure on your knees and joints. FlexNest and FitKit by Cult use multi-layer shock absorption. PowerMax features rubber shock absorption. Cocato comes with AI cushioning and SpareNord offers a shock absorption cushion for joint protection and impact reduction. FlexNest and Cocato delivers the best comfort, with FitKit by Cult close behind. These three are also the best choices for longer workout sessions, while PowerMax is better suited for medium workouts and SpareNord for shorter sessions. Well, overall winner, FlexNest and Cocato, with FitKit by Cult as a very close alternative for comfortable everyday home workouts. Let's answer another practical question. Can I fold and store it easily? Well, a foldable design saves space and makes the treadmill easier to move and store. All 5 treadmills feature a foldable design with transport wheels for easy storage and movement. FitKit by Cult, PowerMax, and SpareNode stand out with a hydraulic, soft drop folding system, making folding safer and more convenient, especially for apartment users. FlexNest and Cocato use a manual folding system but still offer good space saving performance for compact homes. Overall winner FitKit by Cult, PowerMax, and SpareNode. Thanks to the smooth and user friendly hydraulic folding mechanism. If you want better workouts, you might ask, can I make my workout more challenging? Well, incline training increases workout intensity and helps you burn more calories. All 5 treadmills comes with a manual incline system offering 3 incline levels allowing you to increase workout intensity. However, none of them support automatic incline adjustment, so you will need to adjust the incline manually before your workout. Overall winner, it's a tie as all 5 treadmills offer the same manual incline system with identical 3-level adjustment. Many users also want to know, does it have the smart features I need? Well, smart features make your workouts more enjoyable, interactive, and easier to track. All 5 treadmills comes with an LED display and heart rate sensor for workout tracking. FlexNest and SpareNode offer Bluetooth connectivity, while FitKit by Cult and PowerMax include USB and aux ports for music playback. FlexNest, FitKit by Cult, PowerMax, and SpareNode also feature built-in speakers, whereas Cocato provides only the basic essentials without Bluetooth or speakers. Overall winner, FlexNest, thanks to its Bluetooth connectivity, built-in speaker, and overall smart feature experience. With FitKit by Cult, PowerMax, and SpareNode also offering useful entertainment features. One more important question is, will this treadmill last for many years? A strong build means better stability, less vibration, and a longer lifespan. All 5 treadmill feature a heavy duty steel frame and include an emergency safety key for added protection. FlexNest and FitKit by Cult deliver the lowest machine vibration, while PowerMax and Cocato also provide smooth performance and SpareNode has slightly higher vibration. In terms of finish, FlexNest, FitKit by Cult, PowerMax, and SpareNode offer a premium quality finish, whereas Cocato comes with a good quality finish. Overall winner, FlexNest, FitKit by Cult, and PowerMax stand out with this strong build, lower vibration, and premium finish, making them the best choices for long-term durability. Before you buy, don't forget to ask, what problem should I know about? Knowing the common complaints helps you make a better and smarter buying decision. FlexNest has the fewest reported complaints with very few motor issues and minimal noise, even after long term use. Although installation and spare parts availability may vary by location, FitKit by Cult offers a smooth installation experience, good spare parts support, and only a few reports of motor noise over time. PowerMac has a occasional service delays, motor or PCB issues, and slightly increased noise after extended use. Cockatoo requires DIY installation and has some reports of burning smell and slower spare parts availability, while SpareNode provides good installation and service support but receives more complaints about motor heating and increased noise during longer workouts. Overall winner, FlexNest for a long-term reliability, with FitKit by Cult as a strong second choice due to its dependable service and low complaint rate. One final thing to check is what happens if something goes wrong after I buy. A good warranty and reliable service can save you time, money, and unnecessary stress. All 5 treadmills offer the same warranty coverage with a 3-year motor warranty, lifetime frame warranty, 1 year spare parts warranty, and 1 year labor warranty, providing solid long term protection and peace of mind for home users. Overall winner, it's a tie as FlexNest, FitKit by Cult, PowerMax, Cocato, and SpareNode all provide identical warranty coverage with no clear advantage for any single brand. Well, now comes the most important question, which treadmill should you actually buy? Overall, best choice FitKit by Cult. Best combination of performance, comfort, features, and service. Best premium choice, FlexNest. Best for low noise, smooth running, cushioning, and long term reliability. Best value for money, PowerMax. Best balance of price, performance, and everyday home use. Best for beginners and daily walking. Sparnod. Ideal for walking, light jogging, and first time treadmill buyers. Best for family and home fitness, Cocato. Comfortable for multiple users, taller individuals, and regular family workout. If this comparison helped you make a better decision, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Brand Investigation, and check the links in the description for the latest prices and exact treadmill models. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next honest comparison video.